നമസ്കാരം പ്രിയ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, തുല്യനീതി എന്ന പരിപാടിയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ പ്രേക്ഷകർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. തുല്യനീതി, ഈക്വൽ ജസ്റ്റിസ് എന്നതുകൊണ്ട് അർത്ഥമാക്കുന്നത് സാധാരണക്കാരെ പോലെ തുല്യ പരിഗണന ലഭിക്കേണ്ടവർ തന്നെയാണ് ഭിന്നശേഷിക്കാരും. ഞങ്ങളാരും സാധാരണക്കാരിൽ നിന്ന് വ്യത്യസ്തരല്ല. ഞങ്ങൾക്കും തുല്യ പരിഗണനയാണ് ആവശ്യം. RPWD ആക്ട്, ഭിന്നശേഷിക്കാർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള നിയമം, ഭിന്നശേഷിക്കാർക്ക് ലഭിക്കേണ്ട അവകാശങ്ങളെയും ആനുകൂല്യങ്ങളെയും പറ്റിയുള്ള നിയമത്തെ വിശദമാക്കുന്ന ഒരു പരിപാടിയാണ് ഈ പരിപാടി. ഭിന്നശേഷിക്കാർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള അവകാശങ്ങളും അധികാരങ്ങളും ഇപ്പോഴും അറിയാതെ നിരവധി ഭിന്നശേഷിക്കാർ നമ്മുടെ ഇടയിൽ തന്നെയുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവരും ഇത് കാണുക. അതെ, അവകാശങ്ങൾ നേടിയെടുക്കാനുള്ളതാണ്. പോരാടിക്കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അവകാശങ്ങളെ നമുക്ക് നേടിയെടുക്കാം. ഈ നിയമത്തിൻ്റെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പതിപ്പ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾക്കായി വായിച്ചു തരുന്നത് മിൻസി എന്ന വ്യക്തിയാണ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ശ്രദ്ധയോടുകൂടി ഇത് കേൾക്കാം.
Chapter 5: Social Security, Health, Rehabilitation and Recreation. Social Security. The appropriate government shall, within the limit of its economic capacity and development, formulate necessary schemes and programs to safeguard and promote the right of persons with disabilities for adequate standard of living to enable them to live independently or in the community. Provided that the quantum of assistance to the persons with disabilities under such schemes and programs shall be at least 25% higher than the similar schemes applicable to others. The appropriate government, while devising these schemes and programs, shall give due consideration to the diversity of disability, gender, age, and socio-economic status. The schemes under subsection 1 shall provide for community centers with good living conditions in terms of safety, sanitation, healthcare, and counseling. Facilities for persons, including children with disabilities who have no family or have been abandoned or are without shelter or livelihood. Support during natural or man-made disasters and in areas of conflict. Support to women with disability for livelihood and for upbringing of their children. Access to safe drinking water and appropriate and accessible sanitation facilities, especially in urban slums and rural areas. Provisions of aids and appliances, medicine and diagnostic services, and corrective surgery free of cost to persons with disabilities with such income ceiling as may be notified. Disability pension to persons with disabilities subject to such income ceiling as may be notified. Unemployment allowance to persons with disabilities registered with Special Employment Exchange for more than 2 years and who could not be placed in any gainful occupation. Caregiver allowance to persons with disabilities with high support needs. Comprehensive insurance scheme for persons with disability not covered under the employees' state insurance schemes or any other statutory or government sponsored insurance schemes. Any other matter which the appropriate government may think fit. Healthcare. The appropriate government and the local authorities shall take necessary measures for the persons with disabilities to provide free healthcare in the vicinity, especially in rural area, subject to such family income as may be notified. Barrier-free access in all parts of government and private hospitals and other healthcare institutions and centers. Priority in attendance and treatment. The appropriate government and the local authorities shall take measures and make schemes or programs to promote healthcare and prevent the occurrence of disabilities, and for the said purpose shall undertake or cause to be undertaken surveys, investigations and research concerning the cause of occurrence of disability. Promote various methods for preventing disabilities. Screen all the children at least once in a year for the purpose of identifying at-risk cases. Provide facilities for training to the staff at the primary health centers. Sponsor or cause to be sponsored awareness campaigns and disseminate or cause to be disseminated information for general hygiene, health and sanitation. Take measures for prenatal, perinatal and postnatal care of mother and child. Educate the public through the preschool, schools, primary health centers, village level workers and Anganwadi workers. Create awareness amongst the masses through television, radio and other mass media on the causes of disabilities and the preventive measures to be adopted. Healthcare during the time of natural disasters and other situations of risk. Essential medical facilities for life-saving emergency treatment and procedures. And sexual and reproductive health care, especially for women with disability. Insurance schemes. The appropriate government shall, by notification, make insurance schemes for their employees with disabilities. Rehabilitation. The appropriate government and the local authorities shall, within their economic capacity and development, undertake or cause to be undertaken services and programs of rehabilitation, particularly in the case of health, education and employment for all persons with disabilities. For the purposes of subsection 1, the appropriate government and the local authorities may grant financial assistance to non-governmental organizations. The appropriate government and the local authorities, while formulating rehabilitation policies, shall consult the non-governmental organizations working for the cause of persons with disabilities. Research and development. The appropriate government shall initiate or cause to be initiated research and development through individuals and institutions on issues which shall enhance habilitation and rehabilitation, on such other issues which are necessary for the empowerment of persons with disabilities. Culture and recreation. The appropriate government and the local authorities shall take measures to promote and protect the rights of all persons with disabilities to have a cultural life and to participate in recreational activities equally with others, which include facilities, support and sponsorships to artists and writers with disability to pursue their interests and talents. Establishment of a disability history museum which chronicles and interprets the historical experiences of persons with disabilities. Making art accessible to persons with disabilities. Promoting recreation centers and other associational activities. Facilitating participation in scouting, dancing, art classes, outdoor camps and adventurous activities. Redesigning courses in cultural and art subjects to enable participation and access of persons with disabilities. Developing technology assistive devices and equipments to facilitate access and inclusion for persons with disabilities in recreational activities, and ensuring that persons with hearing impairment can have access to television programs with sign language interpretation or subtitles. Sporting activities. The appropriate government shall take measures to ensure effective participation in sporting activities of the persons with disabilities. The sports authorities shall accord due recognition to the right of persons with disabilities to participate in sports and shall make due provisions for the inclusion of persons with disabilities in their schemes and programs for the promotion and development of sporting talents. Without prejudice, the provisions contained in subsection 1 and 2, the appropriate government and the sports authorities shall take measures to restructure courses and programs to ensure access, inclusion and participation of persons with disabilities in all sporting activities. Redesign and support infrastructure facilities of all sporting activities for persons with disabilities. Develop technology to enhance potential talent, capacity and ability in sporting activities of all persons with disabilities. Provide multi-sensory essentials and features in all sporting activities to ensure effective participation of all persons with disabilities. Allocate funds for development of state-of-art sport facilities for training of persons with disabilities. Promote and organize disability-specific sporting events for persons with disabilities and also facilitate award to the winners and other participants of such sporting events.
തുടരും. ഈ പരിപാടിയുടെ വരുന്ന എപ്പിസോഡുകൾക്കായി കാത്തിരിക്കുക. നമ്മളുടെ അവകാശങ്ങളെയും ആനുകൂല്യങ്ങളെയും കുറിച്ചറിയുന്ന ഈ പരിപാടി മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് പങ്കുവയ്ക്കുക. ഭിന്നശേഷിക്കാരായവരുടെ അവകാശങ്ങളും ആനുകൂല്യങ്ങളും അറിയാത്ത ഒട്ടനവധി സഹോദരി സഹോദരന്മാർ നമ്മൾക്കിടയിലുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവരെയും ബോധവാന്മാരാക്കുക.